Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and also press a bell icon so that you will get a next notification for my videos. In this video today we will discuss for how we can get a length of the cell values in Excel. So here if you will see here we have one column that is a country. In that we have many values like India, America, Singapore, England, Germany, Netherlands, Japan and Canada. Now if you want to get the length of these values, then you can use a length function in Excel. So here we will type equal len is used for a length function. Then we will take a cell and press a tab button. So this country's length is a 5, character length is 5. So we will extract this till last value. So that is a it will shows you the values of length values of these countries. India have a 5, America has a 7, Singapore has a 9, England has a 7 characters, Germany have a 7 characters, Netherlands have a 10 characters, Japan is a 5, Canada have a 6 characters. So by using a length function you can use the you can get the particular length of that cell.